Hello people, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today I'm going to show you how to make amaranth porridge for babies. Amaranth is an ancient Indian grain with amazing nutritional benefits. It is recently gaining a lot of popularity and it looks like quinoa a bit, slightly smaller grain though. Talking about the actual benefits of it, it is a gluten-free grain. It is high in protein and equal to animal protein is the content in it. Essential amino acids, minerals, and vitamins it has. It is good to strengthen bones. It improves vision as well. This is obtained from seeds grown in amaranth plant, which closely looks like spinach and a very local grain. You can find it in any organic store close by. These are available in the form of grains, popped seeds as well. Also, amaranth flour is available. For today, I will show you how to make porridge using amaranth flour. This can be given to babies above 8 months. In future recipes, I'll try to include other forms of this as well. I'm now taking amaranth flour. This is also called as Rajgira, a royal grain. I'm now adding ghee. Mix this and roast it for a while until you get that real amazing aroma. For about 3 to 4 minutes would be great. This step is optional but recommended because of the flavor it adds into the porridge. I'm next adding hot water. Please ensure you use only hot water, otherwise there are chances of a lot of lumps getting formed which your baby wouldn't like really. Keep mixing it and you will have to cook it for about 2 minutes. That's it, because we have already roasted the flour. There's no need of much cooking now. If you do not roast it, you can make it just by mixing it in cold water. The flour and cold water you can mix and cook it for 5 minutes. I'm now adding dry fruits or nuts powder, which can be given to babies above 8 months. Here I'm adding date syrup. You can even use raisin syrup, jaggery syrup, coconut sugar or palm sugar, anything you wish, but as much as natural is really good for babies. You can even add some fruit purees like apple or carrot puree or even pumpkin puree to this. Completely optional. So after mixing in, I didn't cook it much because it's already cooked, and now our amaranth porridge is all ready to be served. As said, this can be given to 8 months and above babies. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit that like button and comment and let me know if you would like to see more amaranth recipes. I would be glad to add them here, and thank you so much for watching this video till now. Take care. Bye-bye.